Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings. In them you need to choose more connections over here and tap on printing section. Now you can choose default print servers right away. And wait, your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. But if you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher and tap on the back button. Now click on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Now select your new service by clicking on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!